If you guys have a nail in your tire, like I do here, I'm going to show you guys how to plug this at home so you don't have to go someplace to fix it. Or if you're on the road, you can fix it yourself. I am doing this with the tire off, but you can do it with the tire still on the car. If you don't have a visible nail in the tire like this one here, you can take a little bit of soapy water and get it on a few of the spots, and you will see that it actually starts to bubble wherever your leak is. Once you have found out where your leak is, obviously mine is the nail, the next step is to remove the nail or whatever is inside your tire. I am using a pair of pliers. You can also use needle nose pliers and grab onto it and pull it out. Mine is just a little tiny screw. I am using a kit by Slime that I picked up at our local O'Reilly's auto parts store. Any auto parts store will have something like this. I will also leave a link in the description to some on Amazon if you'd like to purchase them and keep them in your car just in case. This kit comes with 4 things. First is a reamer. This is to clean out the hole and roughen it up a little bit so the plug will stick. This comes with 5 of the plugs. This is the glue to put on the plugs to help it adhere to the tire. And this is the tool that you use to put it actually in the tire. The first step is to take your reamer tool and run it in and out of the hole probably 7 or 8 times to clean it up and to roughen it up for the plug. As you can see, it makes the hole a little bit bigger, so we'll let some of this air drain out before we put the plug in it. We'll take the plug and the installation tool and we will slide the plug inside so that the plug is halfway through, about like that. Then we'll take the plug and we will apply some of this to it, about like that. And we're also going to put a little bit in and around the hole. We'll take our plug and we will push it in to where the plug is about halfway inside. It has a tendency to go in pretty hard. Careful not to push the plug all the way into the tire. About like that. You want a little bit sticking out, as you can see here. And then we will pull it straight out. And the plug will stay in there. Clean up some of that glue that is left around it. Take some kind of flush cut pliers and snip off what you have left. Don't cut it off flush. Don't worry if you have some sticking out. The road will actually wear this down flat and you won't even notice it. Now that we have this back up to 36 psi, we are going to throw some soapy water on here. And if we did this correctly, there will be no air bubbles. There we go, we threw some soapy water on there. And as you can see, there are no new air bubbles being formed. So the plug is good. So it's a simple process. You can plug your own tires and save yourself a little bit of money. If you like this video, give it a like, and I'll catch you in the next video.